you know, it's easy to get all paranoid conspiracy theorist about the WEF.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Back with another banger of a video for you guys, man. As always, we're gonna go into Tonic news and updates today. Why the Tonic price has been retracing, correcting. There's a lot of sell pressure that is happening, guys, and we're gonna break it down in this video just to explain why is that taking place. But trust me, this is just normal, guys. This is just how should I say, just a passing tide, because on the overall outlook of the markets and everything that's happening overall, we are still bullish, guys. So I'm gonna break that down in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, Tonic fan, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are super close to 2,000 subscribers. Extremely close, right? And you know, the more you guys support these videos, the more they get out there into the algorithm, the more eyes get on the Tonic project, and the more people join the community and the project grows. Like I said, I constantly see people in my comment section saying, how do I buy Tonic? How do I get into Tonic, right? And you know, it's a great thing to see. Also support my Tonic playlist as well, and my Tonic shorts. 30,523 people have Tonic on their watch list. Number is still growing, 25.3 million in market cap, 247k in 24-hour trade volume. Now, let's take a guess, guys. Let's take a guess. Why do you guys think the market is retracing right now? Now, Tonic fam, if you've been watching me for this amount of time already, you'd probably already guess why Tonic is retracing down, and it's down 4% on the 24-hour. All you have to do, like always, is look at the broader markets. Guess what is happening right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum? They're making moves down. Bitcoin down 1.52%, Ethereum down 1.67%. Bitcoin is taking a bit of a fall right now. It is retracing. It is having a bit of a correction. This is normal because it was going absolutely bonkers on the 3-month, right? Every altcoin, majority of the altcoins, not every altcoin, but majority of the altcoins were going absolutely crazy. So you could expect a retrace to happen. That is what's gonna be normal in the space, right? You'll never see just, you know, green every day, all day, every day. It can't happen like that. There's gonna be green days and then red days. But in a bull cycle, we'll see more green days than red days compared to a bear market where you see majority of the days are red. And as we know, Bitcoin is heavily correlated to the broader markets, the stock market. And since they're having a correction right now on the open, because today is Monday, guys, it is the open. So we didn't open green like we did last week. So that's normal. Bitcoin, you know, is following the stock market, the global market, so it retraces as well. Then we have alts doing the same thing, right? So that's why Tonic is down today. That's why we're seeing the sell pressure. Nothing to worry about at all, guys. Like I said, this is why you dollar cost average in. If you are looking for a time to, you know, DCA into Tonic, now would be the time, because we're having a red day, right? This is what's gonna happen. As we continue up further, we're gonna have corrections, but then we're gonna have moves to the upside, correction, move to the, and it's just gonna be a continuous thing if we are truly indeed at the start of the bull cycle, right? From Shango, Tonic is a top 625 crypto. Let's keep chipping away. Available on crypto.com app. Tectonic equals passive yield and instant backed loans built on the #1 platform, Cronos. Bullish, dovish, all of that. So right here he's replying to Marco. Let me see if I follow Marco. Shout out to Marco. Metrics bank on CDC for Tonic. Let's get it. So we have all the metrics right here on the crypto.com app, and you know, it's great to see, man. It's great that, you know, Tonic got that tweet from crypto.com also looking like they're super bullish on Tonic as well. Like we've seen before, Gary Orr has you know, a lot to do with Tonic from the research I've presented to you guys. So this project is no joke, guys. It's really not. From Tonic, vaulted a little more 40 billion with 10 billion Tonic supplied. Tectonic 5, my goal is $5 a day in rewards at the current price. Can't imagine what it will be in the future. Imagine when Tonic is going back to all-time highs, how much rewards you'll be getting in the future, guys. Absolutely gonna be crazy. In 2028, from Got the Sauce, in 2028, all the Tonic holders that got in around 2022 to 2023 should all plan to meet up in person and celebrate and party. Hey, nice stuff. That'd be fun. But yeah, guys, DeFi is the future. Tonic is doing the smart thing, earning those passive rewards now in the bear market. Going into the bull market, he'll have that much more gains to take profit from in the future, which is, you know, absolutely smart of him to do. Game of Trade, Smart Money is doing exactly the same thing it did in 2007. A breakdown of their track record at predicting market declines, and we have a thread. The 2007 top, the 2020 top, the 2022 top. S&P 500 hedgers, as seen as Smart Money, their job is to take the opposite side of the trade of retail traders and smaller speculators. After going through the rest of the thread, Tonic fam, in the short term, the markets could see further upside in the short term. But later in 2023, the economy is likely heading for a recession as earnings get hit and people lose their jobs, and the markets tend to perform poorly during such macro environments. I think it's really left to be seen what's going to happen in the future. I think that we're going to be bullish and continue being bullish. Maybe we have one more correction back down and the bears are, you know, accurate in their assessment that we have one last, you know, big drop. But, you know, you really could never, you know, be accurate, because a lot of people expect things to happen in crypto and then the complete opposite happens. You've seen it time and time again. People were calling for, like, last cycle, people were calling for 100k for Bitcoin to go to 100k. That never happened, right? People are calling for 10k Bitcoin, 14k 12k Bitcoin. Who knows if that's gonna happen? We'll see. I'm still gonna be bullish no matter what, right? And if we do fall any lower, smartest thing to do, guys, is to just DCA, dollar cost average, guys, and that way you could protect yourself. Now I wanted to show you guys a quick clip from Jordan Peterson on the Joe Rogan podcast, speaking about the World Economic Forum, guys. And you know, this is the type of information that we can't ignore, because this is where the world is heading, and I really do believe decentralization, DeFi, will safeguard us from what is about to happen, what is coming.
I've been trying to understand the driving ideas underneath this globalist utopian tyranny that seems to be developing from the top down, and I think it's driven
the top down, guys, the global elites, the you know, the super wealthy calling all the shots,
at least in part by this religious vision that I already described, you know, that you have to construe culture itself, especially industrial culture, as the tyrannical father raping and pillaging everything in its way, which is unbelievably dangerous way to think, too one-sided. And the idea that you have to impose limits to growth on people in order to have a sustainable planet. And that's allied with a view that probably stems all the way back to people like Paul Ehrlich in the 1960s, who really believe, truly, that maybe the planet should only have 500 million people on it. Or if
the planet only has 500 million people on it, what happens to the other people? Now, as always, I'm treading lightly, guys. Not gonna say too much to get, you know, my channel obliterated by YouTube, but you know, it's just interesting what is happening and right before our eyes. But with DeFi, decentralization, Tonic, the Cronos ecosystem, there is a way for us to stand up.
$1 billion, you know, in relative poverty, or 2 billion barely scraping by, because otherwise they're going to be wrecking everything, and, you know, controlled by some top-down authority that makes bloody well sure that no one's consuming too much. And so when I look at ideas like that first assumption, you know, the planet has too many people on it, it's like, I don't like to hear people say that, because when I hear that, I think, okay, buddy, who exactly are you thinking about getting rid of? Oh, well, it's not like that. It's like, yeah, it's like that.
It has to be like that.
It is absolutely like that. So
who are you trying to get rid of? There's too much things being consumed. There's too much people on the planet. What happens to the other people? Who's to say who gets selected? Who should, you know? It reminds me of like the Marvel movies with Thanos saying, "Oh, we have to get rid of half the population for, you know, a planet or, you know, our planet to survive," right?
you know, it's easy to get all paranoid conspiracy theorist about the WEF, say, and maybe there's some utility in that, but, you know, I don't think anybody's sitting at Davos going, well, we got to scrap 7 billion people. But if the underlying narrative is the one I just described, you know, virginal planet, tyrannical patriarchy, and rapacious individual, and you believe, well, we're overpopulated, like Paul Ehrlich has believed since really literally the mid-1960s, then how is it not going to be that the policies that you craft stemming from that narrative are colored by the belief that there's far too many people?